Hammer time. I think we're gonna try and do hammer time 1 and 2. See how the second leg goes. I think this is like the new beginner jump trail. Oh, maybe I don't want to fuck. We'll see. Maybe this isn't even it. I made a mistake. This doesn't look like it was. I was expecting something that was freshly. Oh, wait, what? Okay. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know what the fuck this is. Hopefully these are no mandatory gaps. What the? That's some janky shit. What is this? Oh, it's not janky, it's fine. I don't know where the fuck this lets me out. Bridge. Let's see. Where the fuck am I? Kind of keep recording until this terminates, I suppose, or until I recognize something. Oh, now I recognize something.